Hey guys, my name is Josh Hancher. I'm a focus puller out of Atlanta, Georgia. I've been using the CMotion system for a while, and one of the things that I never really figured out is how to stretch out limits on the focus knob. But I figured it out using the manual calibration function on the CMotion. So with that, I'm going to try to narrate through this, and maybe this is something you'll find useful. Okay, so the first thing you gotta think of it is you're not limiting a lens after you map the lens. You're actually creating a new lens. So here I've got the Cook 180 that has a close focus of 4 foot 3 inches, I believe, and I want to make a long lens sort of mapping that goes to 9 feet. So for starters, unload your lens, start with a clean palette, and then go ahead and mount the lens. But here's the critical part: you want to go into your manual calibration function. That's the first thing you want to do. So go into your motors, select manual calibration, and and then go from infinity to the distance you want to limit. So you want to select yes right here. And then, so again, it's important to set something, that you know what it is, like a hard mark there. So in this instance, I'm going to start at 9 feet and go to infinity. So once you do that, so then you can create your lens file once you've got the manual calibration. So here I've got 9 feet as my close distance, right? So now I'm going to set that mark. Make sure you press set, and then it's going to ask you to go to your far limit, which in this case is the infinity. Cooks are nice because it doesn't go past infinity, so you can find that hard stop at infinity. So once you've done that, now you're ready to create the lens. So you're going to go in and create your lens on your lens wizard here. Now this is critical right here. So don't hit calibrate, because if you calibrate now, it's going to take out those limits, and you have to start over. So once you press next, and then name your lens like you would. I'm going to name this the 180 millimeter close focus, and it kind of pairs with the full range 180 millimeter. You can see I said 10 feet here, but you're right, I did 9 feet because I wanted to be able to go in front of 10 feet just a little bit. And then you just tape it out and using a blank ring. So just use some 1-inch gaff tape and marked out infinity, and I've did something a little fancy here with the P-Touch. I can explain that a little later and stuff. So now once you map that lens and you save it and you call it up, you make sure you use your blank ring, not one of the pre-marked focus rings. And now you've got infinity to 10 feet, and it really does spread out your focus throws on those. And you can see right here, because you've mapped it, because the lens is in the system, I'm on an Alexa Mini LF here, that lens data gets captured by the camera. All the focus marks translate into the metadata, and on the screen if you've got it displayed, and the t-stop and the focal length in there is all there. Using this system, I was able to actually use the autofocus function, as you can see right here. I've got somebody walking with the Cine RT bug in their pocket towards the camera and stuff. And this is using it mapped, and you can see I've used Sharpie to make because you don't want to try to make it, but I've done a P-Touch labeling system to make it pretty fancy. But this works really great, really dials in that 30 to 10 foot range, as you can see here.